Hello everyone. So this is Achala again talking to you from Kandy, Sri Lanka. You can see the picturesque mountains behind me. That's a mountain called Hantana, where Sri Lanka's first and most largest tea estates were established in the colonial times. Today it's mostly conservation forest and there's a little tea. So going back on topic, today we are going to talk about software architecture and why it's important for your digital product. So a software architecture will look at things like performance, scalability, security, and also about the user interaction, because sometimes the software architecture will dictate how much latency the application will have, how data is transformed between services, and this may affect the user experience as well. Even though we think that is done by user experience engineers and user interface designers, it's really important that the solution architecture can cater that sort of experience as well. So then what do? They will look at modularizing the application, because it's not going to be a one big monolithic source code anymore. These days people develop module applications, service based applications, so that there are lower impact if one module fails, because rather than having a very large source code that is all over the place, you break the system into different blocks so that each component can work independently and also will make a minimal impact when it is going to fail. And this means your developers can also focus on developing certain components without disrupting others as they work, right? So there's a many benefits to that. So software architectures these days most of the time will be modular, and they can be service oriented, or they can be microservices based, they can be layered architecture based. That means there might be a data layer, a intermediary business layer, and then the front end layer. So, and these can be done in different application programming languages, different services can be consumed. So maybe it is a Node.js application, maybe it is a React application, maybe it is a PHP, Laravel, and Vue.js application. So the software architect or the software architecture will consider these as well when it is done properly. So hope this helps you clarify on what sort of things you should be gaining out of a good software architecture.
Thank you. Visit softwareconsultant.org for a free consultation with us.